Hello gurus, and welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I'm going to show you technical analysis, and you're going to see how I've been trading and how I'm going to do my trades in this video. We're going to see what's going to happen, and I'm going to also check out, am I going to be buying stuff? If you followed my video, I sold a lot of positions before Bitcoin and crypto markets dropped. Now I need to actually see, do I want to buy here? We're going to jump into charts, see where I'm going to buy. I've got a lot of Google. I think Google is still good. Tesla is still good. TSM is still good. That's all I am pretty much in NASDAQ and Meta. I still think NASDAQ has more to run. Bitcoin I still think is good. MCRT is building. Uniswap I like. Ethereum I like. But again, you have FXS I like. You have to do your own due diligence, do your own research, make your own decisions. IOTA I also like. And this is what I think I'm buying. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to the market. Tesla pumping. If you follow Tesla, I bought it at $100. Now it's $244. 144% gain. TSM I bought a lot of recently, only at like 98. So I think it's got more to run. I bought it originally, but anyway, SMR, it pulled back a lot with this crypto drop. I still like it. Microsoft pumping too much. Let's check. Let's look at Bitcoin first, then go into. But Microsoft invested in OpenAI. So Microsoft is a genius. Broke out of that descending triangle. Look at this. Broke out of this massive. It's a massive bull flag. Holy shit. Microsoft has a massive bull flag. I talked about this. Look at this. I drew this when it was here at 254, and I talked about this huge bull flag. Microsoft is going to go. Hold on, I got to drive my phone from the storm. I'm doing all of this from my iPhone. This is the price of Microsoft going back to 2008. You can see and you can see the target is 494, and I set that target down here at 220. So congratulations, anyone that looked at that when I can't remember when I did it. Let's go into Bitcoin. Bitcoin, very oversold. Look at this, down here, massive volume coming in. You can see here, if you look at the overall time frame, look at this volume. Look how much people are buying and selling. How much it shows, how much per week. Each of these bars is 1 week. How much every week people are buying and selling Bitcoin. And you can see now we're at almost all-time highs of people. Like, for example, back here in 2021, at the peak, 300,000 Bitcoin were bought and sold. Now it's 1 million Bitcoin a week are bought and sold. So it's 3 times bigger than when it was during the bull run. Even though all this FUD is attacking right now, this is a big... rising, broadening wedge, which is dangerous, but it is in a channel. And when we zoom closer, so now I went closer, so each of these candles is now 1 day. And you can see that Bitcoin is hitting against this. Boom, boom, boom. It's going to break through eventually. That's where I want to go long. I can take it in case it wicks down. There's some SEC news or something, and it wicks down and activates this trade. So this is the trade that I would take on Bitcoin for a bigger long-term trade, risking 279 to make 13,000. 10x leverage is 130,000. 100x leverage is 1.3 million. That's a trade that would take beautifully. That's on the longer term. Shorter term, 4-hour oversold, but heading down, but buy volume coming in. Interesting. Some big green buy orders coming in on the 4-hour. You see this? Here, look how much buys were here. There was at 11 o'clock, so last night, now it's like almost 12 hours ago, or 24 hours ago, 59,000 Bitcoin bought and sold, and normally it's 10,000. So someone bought like an extra 50,000 Bitcoin, and you can see here it's like double bottoming here. Boom, boom. Could actually break out from here. Look at that big descending triangle, and it's ready to push. And there is volume spiking. I think Bitcoin could have a big breakout from here. The rest of the crypto market is getting hammered. Where are they going to all move their money? Into Bitcoin. Looks like it's going to pump here. 4-hour looks beautiful. So there's two trades that can take here, that I will take. This one, we'll open it here. I drew that yellow line a long time ago. This yellow line, I drew it back here. And the second trade I would take is off here. From here. Tight stop loss. And take profit also potential massive, this is potential massive trade. Holy shit, this storm is incredible. There's some giant trees here. Look at that. That's a trade I'll take, risking $198 to make $11,000. This is the trade I'm going to set up on Bitcoin. So I'm going to set that up now on Bybit. You can trade. All the links to trade and understand what I'm doing, there's steps under my video. 1, 2, 3, follow the steps. if you want. Bybit, I've got a long setup on Bitcoin at 23,920. That's that bigger trade that I talked about. That's this one, 29,300. This is the bigger trade. 24,000, yeah, 24,200. But this trade I want to also set up. So at 25,379, 25,379, one Bitcoin, 35,000. Stop loss. You read the charts, learning the crypto masterclass, the red line, 25181. 25181. 25181. Risking $198 to make $9,621. Beautiful. Confirm, open long, one Bitcoin. Oh, that's a nice risk to reward. Let's do two Bitcoin. That would be beautiful. Or even three. Okay, so it's three Bitcoin. What's the risk to reward? It's amazing. 594 for 28,000. Perfect risk to reward. It's crazy. Amazing. Take it. That trade is set. My other Bitcoin trade is set. I put a lot of buy orders today for FXS, Uniswap, Bitcoin, MCRT. I am the founder of MCRT. It's a play to earn game. Pay attention to it. I want to just emphasize this. I highly recommend all of you pay attention to MCRT. You have to do your own due diligence, consult your brokers, research yourself, MCRT. Check out what's happening there in the play to earn space. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button. All the links are down below. Learn to trade, learn to manage your money, learn to protect your money. A multi-millionaire, a friend of mine he's one of the creators of an amazing cryptocurrency network, like a technology. He had a financial advisor that he put like 5 million with him and lost 2 million. So even if you have financial advice, do your own research, start learning yourself. Research with your financial advisor, like test them, get good ones, but learn this entire thing. Doesn't matter what job you're doing. If you're a plumber, you're going to invest in Tesla or Google, even through your retirement funds. Like when you're putting money into your super and stuff like that, it's being invested into stocks for you. So research all of this stuff. Thank you for watching. You read books, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Read The Richest Man in Babylon. Watch Everything by Jeff Bezos. All his interviews. Watch Everything by Warren Buffett on YouTube. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.